Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Premiere can analyze speech, open preferences, and enable speech to text so the engine runs. Import your clip and put it on a dedicated dialogue track because cleaner audio yields fewer errors. Once the clip is placed, switch to the Captions/Text workspace and click Transcribe sequence. Choose the correct language and speaker detection if needed. This starts automatic transcription right away, which produces the live subtitle draft you'll refine in the next steps. Once transcription finishes, you'll see a transcript in the text panel. Now correct errors directly, spell names, fix homophones, and add punctuation so reading flow improves. Make use of speaker labeling if you have multiple voices. This keeps subtitles accurate and accessible. After edits, click Create Captions and choose your caption preset. Open verses closed, and the file format like SRT or embedded CEA 608. Make sure timing settings match your sequence frame rate so captions sync tightly with the audio. Finish by polishing timing. Trim caption clips in the timeline and use essential graphics to set font, size, and safe area so text is readable on all devices. For delivery, either export captions as a sidecar file like SRT or burn them into the video, choose based on platform requirements. If you hit problems, retranscribe after applying a noise reduction pass or manually correct segments. This often fixes stubborn mishears. And if captions drift, confirm sequence frame rate and recreate captions to restore sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.